The old ways of making money are dying. If you're still waiting for a boss to give you a raise or a degree to give you a job, you're already behind. In 2026, the people getting rich aren't the ones with the most certificates, they're the ones with the most useful skills. Markets are freezing, and prices are moving while you sleep. You don't need a PhD to survive this. You just need these 5 simple tools. Listen closely, because the world is about to get very expensive for anyone who doesn't have them. The first skill is knowing how to make AI work for you. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to know how to tell the computer exactly what to do so it can finish your work in 10 minutes instead of 10 hours. Think of it like being a manager of 1,000 tiny robots. If you can lead the robots, you get paid for the work they do, not the time you spend. In 2026, the person who works the hardest loses. The person who uses the best tools wins. The second skill is human psychology. People are scared right now. They're worried about their savings and their future. If you understand what people are afraid of and what they actually want, you can sell anything. This isn't about being a salesman. It's about knowing how people think. If you can solve someone's fear or give them a solution they can understand, you will never go hungry. The third skill is clear communication. We live in a world of noise. Everyone is shouting, and nobody is making sense. If you are the person who can stand up and explain exactly what is happening in a way that your neighbor or your grandmother can understand, you become a leader. Clarity is a high-value product. If you can make people say, "I finally get it," they will pay you just to keep talking. The fourth skill is personal protection. This isn't just about money, it's about your assets. In 2026, taxes are hidden, and bank accounts can be frozen to stop panics. You need to know how to keep your value in things that can't be turned off with a switch. Whether it's physical gold, land, or decentralized systems, the skill of exit strategy, knowing how to get your money out before the door locks, is what separates the rich from the trapped. Finally, the most important skill: ignoring the noise. Your phone is designed to keep you angry, distracted, and poor. While everyone else is arguing about the morning news or the latest crisis, the rich are in ghost mode. They turn off the notifications, they put their head down, and they build. If you can stay focused on one goal for 6 months while the world is screaming, you will be in the top 1% by the end of the year. The Monday shock is coming, but it doesn't have to be your shock. Master the robots, understand the people, keep it simple, protect your stuff, and stay focused. That's the game. Hit subscribe if you're ready to start the grind. I'll see you in the next one.